Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now in this video we're going to be featuring a female African YouTuber who posts under the moniker Nilotic Empress. Nilotic Empress, Ruby to her friends, is a 30-something-year-old Kenyan air hostess based in Dubai. Quite an enigma, this young lady. Pretty if you are into that androgynous babes sort of thing. The one thing that is without doubt though is that Red Ruby has a bag full of personality. She's a bit like Marmite. You either love her or you detest her. For me though, she fluctuates between the two. There are times when I watch Ruby's videos and I think she's okay. There are other times that I just find her maddening. As I said, a bag full of personality. Nilotic Empress is one of those type of online personalities that if you ever run into her in real life, you would go up to her and strike up a conversation as though you have known her all your life. And the reason why you would feel able to do this is because Ruby is one of those YouTubers who puts everything out there, absolutely everything, no filter. She tells it what's and all. Ironic then that I first came across Nilotic Empress via the Summer Aku channel, another motor mouth with no filter. So I first came across Ruby's channel via Summer Aku's channel. As I said, in the video that I saw, Summer was running this lady, that is Nilotic Empress. So in the video that I saw, Summer was running this lady down as she usually does. We all know Summer Aku for this. She likes to project her insecurities onto other YouTubers online, but we've already dealt with that and we will revisit that at some point. Anyway, I digress. So I went to check Ruby's channel out. This is after having seen it on Summer Aku video. So I went to check Ruby's channel out and I found her to be fairly interesting, and I have been watching her videos here and there ever since. Ruby's videos mainly centers around her life as a 30-something-year-old single professional looking to settle down. I am sure that there is more to her channel than just that, but that pretty much is the gist of her channel. A typical Ruby video would find her sitting in her living room and talking to a camera. Sometimes she switches location and films whilst cooking in her kitchen, but really the gist of what she talks about are about dating and mainly interracial relationships. So there you have it, our feature of the day. Raby Ruby, as she likes to call herself, Nilotic Empress, as her followers call her, a fireball of personality, sharp tongued and fearsome, skinny androgynous model-like type by way of looks, very much a yin and yang type of personality, no middle ground. As I said, a bag full of personality. So there you have it, Nilotic Empress, a charming young lady. She can be infuriating at times, but on balance, I'd say a reasonably good person. And she's quite a striking feature as well. So she does engage, and she certainly engages me, but I can only really take her in small dosages. But I know that she has appeals to a different type of mass audience, and you can see that in her figures. So Raby Ruby, Nilotic Empress, however you choose to call her, or however she chooses to term herself, skinny 30-something-year-old Kenyan model come air hostess, internationally traveled in search of love. I'm not quite sure if she's in a relationship now. Well, so there you have it, Ruby. I'll put a link to her, to one of her videos, just so you can have a look and have a feel of what she is and who she is. But let me go have a watch of her, and then leave your comments in the comment section. Tell me what you make of her, because I'm not decided on what I have made of her yet. So Raby Ruby, Nilotic Empress, blah blah blah. She's your usual yum mama, except she doesn't have the fat size that you associate with the African mamas. An African mama nonetheless, a charming young lady. Let me know what your thoughts are. Leave that in the comment section. Leave you here, meet you there, and I'll say peace.